Welcome to Arya College of Engineering and IIT Kukas, Jaipur. I am Harish Chavla from Department of Civil Engineering. We are going to discuss about transportation. What is transportation? Transportation means mobility of goods, things as well as human beings and animals. It is the branch of civil engineering deals with the design, construction and maintenance of transportation system such as railways, roads, bridges, etc. Transportation is the key from economic development of any country. Transportation is very helpful to save the time. Transportation is the classified on the basis of its modes. Transportation is subdivided into four parts, which is roadway, railway, highway and waterway. First one is roadway. Roadway is one of the most important mode of transportation which deal with the road system. Offer the freedom to road user to transfer the vehicle from one place to another place, more economical than other way of transportation. Disadvantage: there is the risk of accidents, possibility of delay due to bad road conditions over long distance, not suitable for bulky goods, not suitable in monsoon. Second one is railway transportation. Railway has been the pioneer of modern mechanical transport. It accelerates commercial and industrial development of any country. It is the cheaper, faster and suitable in all weathers. In India, railway is the principal mean of transportation and second largest system in the world. Disadvantage of railway transportation: not for short distance, less flexible, not door to door service available. Next, transportation is transport through airway. Used for transportation of goods, cargoes and passenger over long distance is very short time period. It is the fastest speed of transportation which help in emergency. This transportation spend little time, result in reduction in risk and risk of damage and accidents. Disadvantage of airway: most costly for short distance, does not offer the facility of door-to-door transportation, action services, high maintenance cost and limited carrier capacity. Fourth one is transportation through waterway. It is the cheapest and oldest mode of transportation. It operates on natural track of water, hence not required huge capital investment, so cost of construction and maintenance is very low. It is cheap mode of transportation of huge volume of goods over long distance. Disadvantage of transportation through waterway: very slow system, takes a long time period, not offer the facility of door to door transportation services. It is also take so many time to take cargoes and passenger from one place to other place. Our next topic is traffic engineering. We will discuss about traffic engineering in next lecture. Thank you.